Tired of stubborn grime ruining your outdoor spaces? Scrubbing patios and driveways takes forever, right? Dragging heavy hoses and tangled cords is so annoying. Standard washers just don't have enough power. Wasting hours on cleaning means less time for you. What if you could clean faster and easier? Introducing the Greenworks Pro brushless 2300 PSI pressure washer. Click the link in the description for the best price on Amazon. Power through dirt with 2300 PSI and 2.3 GPM flow. Tackle decks, siding, sidewalks, cars, even boats. 5 included nozzles for every cleaning need. Turbo, 15 degree, 25 degree, 40 degree, and soap nozzle, ready for anything. Onboard wand storage keeps accessories organized. Jet flow technology gives 50% more cleaning reach. Axial cam pump delivers rapid rinse every time. TruBrushless motor senses and adjusts water pressure. Always get the perfect clean, no guesswork. Kink-resistant 25-foot hose means no frustrating tangles. 35-foot GFCI power cord for safe, flexible use outdoors. Large 10-inch wheels roll easily over any terrain. Foldable handles make storage and transport a breeze. Multiple grab points for easy lifting and moving. Before, hours scrubbing, sweating, and still dirty surfaces. After, sparkling clean patios, siding, and vehicles in minutes. Before, struggling with heavy, unreliable washers. After, effortless cleaning with Greenworks Pro's smart design. Before, wasting water and energy with old machines. After, smart flow tech delivers just the right pressure. Before, searching for lost nozzles and tangled hoses. After, everything organized and within reach on board. Before, dreading outdoor chores every weekend. After, quick, satisfying results, more time for fun. Greenworks Pro makes outdoor cleaning truly hassle-free. Perfect for homeowners, DIYers, and car lovers alike. Clean decks, driveways, furniture, and vehicles with ease. Versatile nozzles handle every cleaning challenge. Soap nozzle blasts away greasy messes fast. Turbo nozzle tackles tough, stuck-on dirt. 15 degree, 25 degree, 40 degree nozzles for delicate to heavy-duty jobs. Rugged steel frame stands up to real use. Single onboard soap tank for quick switching. Metal quick connect wand for simple nozzle changes. Easy grip spray, nozzle reduces hand fatigue. No more wrestling with awkward, bulky machines. Move around your yard or driveway with zero hassle. Set up, clean, and store away in minutes. 3-year limited tool warranty for peace of mind. 10-year brushless motor warranty, built to last. SGS certified for safety and performance. Say goodbye to outdoor cleaning headaches. Get professional results without the professional price. Ready to make cleaning effortless and fast? Choose Greenworks Pro 2300 PSI pressure washer today. Click the link in the description for the best price on Amazon. Transform your outdoor cleaning routine for good. Click now to upgrade your cleaning game. Greenworks Pro. Clean smarter, not harder. Order yours and see the difference for yourself.